Hey guys, welcome back to QuickLearn, and for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to simply convert your business Instagram account to private. This video will be a bit confusing, so make sure to watch until the end. And also, make sure that your account is in business account when doing this. So let's go to Instagram. You will be taken to your homepage. Now, go to Profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, right here. And then tap on Settings, and then Privacy. As you can see, I already have private account on, so all you have to do is just turn that on, and you're done. Your account has finally been set to private. It's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.